How to redeem earned points in Alto's POS and inventory system. If you have a loyalty program set up in Alto's POS and inventory system, your customers can use their bonus points to get a discount when making a purchase. Here how it works. First, go to the point of sale and create a new ticket. Next, tap the Add Customer icon in the top right corner of the ticket area. Select the customer from the list and tap Done. If needed, use the search bar to find the customer by name, email, or phone number. Once the customer is added, you will see a red customer icon instead of the Add Customer icon. Tap this icon and choose Redeem Points. You will now see the total number of points available. Ask the customer how many points they would like to use. Enter that number using the pop-up number pad. Tap Save. The system will automatically recalculate the total number. Now you can complete the sale as usual. Simple, clear, and rewarding for your customer.